Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to TikTok Shop. So first you need to search on the Google CJ Dropshipping and make sure that you create your account on the CJ Dropshipping. So once you create it, here is your profile picture. So click on that and here you can see that I am on the level 1. So click on sale amount first. So then we are going on to our dashboard. So here it is, you can see our complete dashboard, and here you can see that my email is verified, and this is the all detail about shipping method and all the details. Okay, and now we are going to click on authorization, and here you can see different platforms, but we want to connect with TikTok shop. So click here. Here you can see that you haven't authorized any store yet. So then you simply need to click on add store, click on OK. So here it is the detail, read that, click on OK. So now we are on to the TikTok shop seller center. Here it is where you need to complete all the details. Here you can see that to authorize service you must log in into your main account. So select the country from where you are. So like suppose if you are from USA, click on next and complete your the TikTok shop process of account creation. So once you complete that step here on to the TikTok shop, so wait for a few seconds here, and on the TikTok shop you can see that you need to complete some verifications. After that you are able to use the TikTok shop. So here it is, you need to first verify your ID verification with your passport or driving license. Click here, and then you need to upload a selfie with your ID card. Click here and click on next, and then your TikTok shop will be added, will be activated, and it is connected with your CJ drop shipping. And once it is connected, then you have the access to add the product from CJ drop shipping onto your TikTok shop. And here you can see a lot of products that you can get in a lot cheap price from here, and you can sell them on the high price onto your TikTok shop from here. So here you can see that let's suppose this product is for $3.14, and you can easily sell this product on to TikTok on $20. And here you can find videos as well. So here you can see video also available. You can use that videos on your TikTok shop as well. So this is the process how you can connect CJ dropshipping to TikTok shop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.